bucket rim. Beat up boots on concrete, I'm patching up the bend. Hinge needs one more beat, keep it straight, keep it tight. Grinding dust in my hair by the time the day gets bright. But the wind from the water keeps calling my name, and the blue out past the docks looks better than this frame. Bucket and break, bucket and break. I wanna clock out now, hit the reef and skate. Bucket and break, bucket and break, bucket and break. One more weld, one more line, then I'm gone for the way, gone for the way.
I'll sit right in there. It's gonna sit right in there. That's 5 inches. That's bent 5 inches, should slide right in. See how well that sits inside there. But it looks nice, but I got that angle perfect, but we're kind of big. I don't want to fill that gap. So I think I'm gonna have to take about a ½ inch off of here, so I can get down to the original weld where the blade is, and then weld it from that. I think that's what I'm going to do. And there she is, perfect fit. Right at the edge where the seam is, where the blade meets, it's exactly where I want it. God, I'm good at this shit. Nice and tight. Good seam. That seam is all the way down the line. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and tack this in place.
bucket rim. Beat up boots on concrete, I'm patching up it straight, keep it tight. Grinding dust in my hair by the time the day gets bright. But the wind from the water keeps calling my name, and the blue out past the docks looks better than the train. Bucket and brake.